to welcome you all to the second National Regional Implementation and Coordination Meeting Mechanism Workshop. This is not just another meeting or workshop. This is a gathering of minds, of hearts, of implementers, leaders, and partners who are deeply committed to achieving universal health care.
Unang-una po sa lahat, I wish to thank you for making time and attending this activity. So nagpapakita po ito ng tunay na interes at dedikasyon kung paano gagawing mas maganda, maayos at epektibo ang mga strategies natin para sa siguradong matanggap ng ating mga kliyente. Salamat din po sa inyong pagpatuloy na pagpusigi upang makasigurong maitawid natin yung mga serbisyong pangkalusugan sa ating mga lugar. Hindi po biro ang maging lingkod bayan.
Today, during this second RICM, we would like to tell you that Bicol CHD loves you. Padaba ika mo. We love you.
Our destiny. We participate in its unfolding. Synchronicity works as a catalyst toward the working out of that destiny. With that, maraming salamat, mabuhay ang UHC, mabuhay po tayong lahat.
I hope you also find time to enjoy our local dishes, scenic views, and the warmth of the Bicolano hospitality. Once again, thank you for being here. We are honored to host you. Let us make this workshop productive, participatory, and inspiring. Diyos mabalos, and again, padaga ni kamo.